Hello, this is Brian, and this is David again with 360 Immersive. We're talking to you today about one of our exciting service offerings, which is CGI, VR computer simulation. So how do we use this technology for virtual reality, and what are some use cases? Where would we benefit the most from using this type of production?
People look at the different types of virtual reality, and there's computer generation virtual reality, and there's live 360 video. But if you're talking about VR computer simulation, you're really talking about what some people call a gamification. It's not quite real, it feels real when you're moving around, and it has some real distinct advantages in what we can do in a training circumstance to really help people learn and get those key safety objectives that we're all looking for. One of the biggest things is that we can actually have people move through a scene. Now, live 360 video, as a contrast, you're kind of locked down to wherever that cameraman went. In VR computer simulation, I can explore, I can make mistakes, I can actually suffer the consequences, which is a great learning tool. We all go, oh. Yep. In some of our simulations, just as in real life, if you make the wrong choices, bad things happen.
Yes.
And you learn from those things, and VR computer simulation is an ideal technology to help those learning objectives. Also, if we wanted to create some scenarios that would be too expensive or too cumbersome to create in real life,
or too dangerous for that matter.
Or too dangerous, absolutely. If we, for instance, one of my favorite scenarios that we have is a trenching scene. So we're teaching trench safety. If you happen to walk into that trench in the area that's not protected, guess what?
What's going to happen?
It collapses. And you have a visceral feel as you see those rocks coming down, the dirt and the dust, and then everything fades to black and bad things have happened. So the distinct advantages of computer simulation when it comes to virtual reality are really
a safe place to fail, to learn.
And not only that, it's a great place to learn. And so when we talk about simulation, we talk about 360 video, and we talk about VR computer simulation. I love the simulation because we can do so many things with it.
Do anything. If you can imagine a scenario, it can be created.
That is absolutely correct.
If you want to learn more about any of our other service offerings, including CGI, we encourage you to check out our website, give us a call, and definitely follow us on YouTube. This has been 360 Immersive.